Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your YouTube videos, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download and transcribe your videos using Descript? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to transcribe your YouTube videos in Descript anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing content on YouTube, you know that you can repurpose your YouTube videos into blog posts by simply transcribing them in Descript. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your YouTube studio and your Descript account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my YouTube studio, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to transcribe your YouTube videos in Descript, first you're going to need to download the video. So here on the left, click on content. Once you click on content, go ahead and choose the video that you want to transcribe in Descript. So for example, this one, and all you're going to do is just hover over the video, click on the three dots, and then download. Okay, once the video has been downloaded from your YouTube account, the rest is going to be handled in your Descript app. So let me go ahead and open up Descript. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened Descript. And next, in order to transcribe your YouTube video, on the right, click on New Project. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu. And in order to transcribe your YouTube video, click on Video Project. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this screen. So you want to go ahead and grab the YouTube video that you downloaded and drop it right here. So let me go ahead and grab my video. Okay, I dropped my YouTube video in here. Now it's going to go ahead and upload. Okay, once you drop it into Descript, you can see it automatically starts transcribing my YouTube video. So let's give it a few moments. Okay, quick second later, you can see the full transcript right here. So you can see it did a pretty good job of reading the video that I made on YouTube. So there's a couple of different things if you want to download this transcript. So the easiest way is you can go ahead and grab all the words right here and just copy them all. Okay, once it's all highlighted, Control C, and now it's copied to my clipboard. Or what you can do is up here on the top right, you can click on Export. Once you do that, you'll see these options here at the top, and then you want to click on Transcript. Okay, next you can go ahead and choose the format for the YouTube video transcript. So by default, it's going to be on dot, or you can drop it down and you can export in these other different formats. So let's do a Word. You can also mess around with the settings right here if you want, and then you can go ahead and export your YouTube video transcript by clicking here. Okay, once you do that, it's going to automatically start downloading your YouTube video transcript. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to transcribe your YouTube video using Descript, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.